Alright, I'm unboxing the Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI. Actually, this was sent to me a couple weeks ago, but took a little bit of time to finish up some work. So finally getting it done, or getting it unboxed at the very least. Always have the nicest bags. What is this thing? Looks important. Guess it's the AI module. Cool. It's light. Filters. Wow. This is a hefty gimbal. And already comes with a light in there. It's pretty neat. Zoom. Focus. They always have really nice button feel. This is a soft matted texture that I really like. Very cool. Let's power it on. Well, I'm going to have to learn how to use it. Not much of a phone gimbal person, so I guess that's the unboxing. Alright, I like it, the way it feels. It feels cool. Figure these things out, and I'll get back to you.